Hi everyone, and welcome to Foxys Food Frolics. With Easter just round the corner, I've got a recipe that you and the family are going to love. It's where a hot cross bun meets a muffin and becomes the Deakin Buffin. So let's get started. So guys, first step, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. The oven can be warming while you put all your ingredients together, and Deakin Buffins won't be far off.
So you've now drained off the water from the mixed fruit and just pour them out like so, and just pad them dry with some paper towel, just like that, and just let them dry a little bit. Okay, our next step is we sift the flour like so. Very nice, looking good there. And very carefully our bicarb soda in there, and we have our spices, our mixed spices in there, and give it a little light mix. Right, the next step, in a separate bowl, whisk together the oil, so buttermilk, oh that looks good, the eggs, like so, and just slowly combine the sugar, like so. We add them to the dry ingredients. That's looking great. Now the fruit, the mixed fruit, lovely. These are hands, that's okay.
Okay, now, so we've got our mixture, it's all ready to go. Now we've got to fill all our muffins down to the last one. And let's see if we can get this little guy in there, because these are going to be good. So, we've got them all ready to go. Place them into your, of course, preheated oven, which is at 200, and 20-25 minutes, and then check it then.
So while our Deakin Buffins are cooking in the oven, we're going to make our glaze that's going to go on the top. So we've sifted our icing sugar, and we're going to add our lemon or lime juice into there, and then just slowly add hot water to our glaze, just so we can make a nice pipeable consistency. I think it's looking pretty good.
Well, this is looking great. Turn the oven off. I think they're ready to go. Our Deakin Buffins, look at that. Right, the final check before we glaze. Place our little skewer in there, pull it out, clean. So, fantastic. I'm sure your Deakin Buffins are scrumptious. I'm pretty pleased with mine. Look forward to seeing you next time when you tune in to Foxys Food Frolics.